Want to know a 100% surefire way to keep your man? Hi, I'm Tara, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your man a sandwich. Make sure the sandwich you make is chock full of things that your man loves.
Like avocados.
And bacon.
To make the bacon, set your oven to 375 Fahrenheit. Lay your bacon strips evenly on a sheet pan and then put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 to 23 minutes or so, you'll know that your bacon is done if it looks like this. Remove it from the sheet pan and drain it on a plate with some paper towels.
So this sandwich is going to feature a delicious garlic bacon guacamole.
To make the guacamole, first you want to slice open 2 avocados and remove the pits. Grab a spoon and remove any brown spots on your avocados. Then scoop the flesh of the avocado out with a spoon and put it into a bowl. Finely dice about a 1/4 cup of red onion. Put that red onion into the bowl with the avocado. Finely dice a small tomato and add that to the bowl as well. Grab a bunch of cilantro and pick off some of the leaves, about a loosely packed 1/4 cup or so, and then finely chop that up and add it to the bowl. Next, squeeze the juice of 1 lime into the bowl.
I like to keep things with my man spicy.
Dice up 1 small jalapeno pepper and add that to the bowl. You decide if you want to keep the ribs and the seeds in. It depends on how hot you'd like the guacamole to be. Add a large pinch of sea or kosher salt. Grab a potato masher and mash everything together. Oops, almost forgot the bacon. Chop up about 5 slices of bacon and add it to the bowl. Next, grab a clove of garlic and put it inside a garlic press and press that garlic into the bowl. Then simply stir everything together.
My man also loves breasts.
Remove the chicken breasts from the package and place them on a cutting board. Then grab a piece of plastic wrap and cover the chicken breasts. Grab a mallet and pound the chicken breasts to about a 1/4 inch or so thickness. Remove the plastic wrap from the chicken breasts, then season them with extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. In a hot pan, drizzle some extra virgin olive oil and swish it around, and then add your chicken breasts to the pan. Drizzle the other side of the chicken with extra virgin olive oil and season it the same way, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. After about 5 or 6 minutes, check your chicken, and if it looks like it's ready to flip, go ahead and flip those babies over.
Make sure to butter that bread and toast it up. No one likes a sandwich with soft bread.
To make the bread, heat up a pan nice and hot, butter it up on both sides, and add it to the pan. Cook until golden brown. And now it's time to assemble this sandwich for your man with all the love you have in your heart.
And now the best part. Stick that sandwich in your mouth and taste it. So remember, every man wants his lady to make him a delicious sandwich. If you make this sandwich, your man will never look at another woman again. Thank you so much for stopping by. Once again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so that you always know when I make a new video. And share this video with your friends. I had fun making it, and I will see you next time.